The 2025 Guangzhou International Auto Show is about to open, and on the eve of its official opening, we had the opportunity to film a video of an all-new MPV model that Arcfox will soon launch. This new vehicle is expected to make its world premiere at the Guangzhou Auto Show and will be launched simultaneously in both pure electric and range-extended hybrid versions to meet the diverse needs of different consumers. According to available information, this highly anticipated new vehicle, codenamed N80KS, is based on Geefo's latest B22 pure electric platform. This platform demonstrates strong technological competitiveness in terms of its overall vehicle architecture, advanced chassis technology, electric powertrain efficiency, smart connectivity, and advanced driver assistance capabilities. We will continue to closely monitor and report on more specific configuration details and performance parameters of the production version. Reminiscent of the Shanghai International Auto Show held earlier this year, the company officially unveiled a concept car called the 77 Degrees, whose design concept and language largely foreshadow and reveal the future design direction of this new MPV. The new vehicle features a sleek and sophisticated silver body paint paired with a black floating roof design, creating a strong sense of visual layering. At the front, a large black grille graces the front, while the headlights retain Arcfox's signature split design, and sporty air vents adorn either side of the front bumper. Viewed from the side, this MPV boasts a large body size. The second-row doors utilize a convenient sliding door opening method, and the door handles are designed in a traditional style. The D-pillar features a luxurious yacht-style sloping design, further enhancing the overall sense of elegance. The new car's sleek and sophisticated silver body paint, combined with the black floating roof design, creates a strong sense of visual depth. The front features a large black grille, while the headlights retain the brand's signature split design. Sporty air vents are located on either side of the front bumper. From the side, this MPV boasts a large body. The second-row doors utilize a convenient sliding door opening mechanism, along with traditional door handles. The D-pillar features a luxurious, yacht-inspired sloping design that further enhances the vehicle's overall elegance. The final name for this new car hasn't been announced yet and is expected to be unveiled at the auto show. At the rear, we've spotted a blue indicator light indicating the vehicle will be equipped with a smart driver assistance system that supports advanced navigation functions. The manufacturer hasn't yet officially announced any details about the powertrain, but based on the fuel/charging ports on both sides of the vehicle and the structural details under the hood, we suspect it's an extended-range hybrid version.